Hey everyone, this is Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. I want to show you this beautiful Lamborghini Gallardo. Unfortunately, it suffered some damage on the hood. Somebody backed up into the hood here with a trailer hitch. I believe the bottom of the hitch, caught it and caused some really significant damage. Fortunately, he had a clear bra which stepped up to the plate and did its part, and it saved the paint job on this vehicle. Now, the dent itself is what we would call overstretched. The deeper you go with a dent, the harder it is to repair, and the fact that it's aluminum makes it that much more difficult. Aluminum basically has twice the tensile strength as traditional steel and sheet metal form. This aluminum very, very thick, hard to manipulate, but like I said, we're trying to do anything we can to save this paint job. And you can see we've peeled away a good portion of that clear bra because the customer, like I said, is going to be replacing this clear bra after we do the dent repair. Here is the dent under the light fixture that we use to reference the dent as we're working on it. And here is the dent in progress. Looking a little bit ugly, as they mostly always do. But not to worry, as we do have quite a bit of work left on this repair. This repair spanned about 5 hours or so, and you can see we're doing some knockdown work from the outside, and we were victorious on this one. Flattened it out very nicely. Customer came out, checked it out, and was super happy that we were able to save his Lamborghini Gallardo from having to be resprayed or repainted, any parts replaced or anything like that. We did this in his garage in a matter of hours, and you can see the results are awesome. If you have any further questions about paintless dent repair in general, you can give me a call directly at 386-216-5185, or you can head on to cfldentrepair.com for more informative videos. You can also head on to Instagram, where you can check out a pretty large portfolio of our work at Bryce Kelly Dent Repair, as well as Facebook. The feed is Central Florida Dent Repair. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.